Let's learn Windows 11 and Office 365 with easy beginner first steps. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a hybrid cover letter using a simple template in Microsoft Word. This format is designed for applicants who want to present a clear professional narrative without repeating the information that already appears in their resume. It is especially effective for applicants who are changing careers, returning to the workforce, or applying for roles where transferable skills and communication ability matter just as much as job titles. The hybrid cover letter allows you to introduce yourself, explain your interest in the role, and highlight your strengths in a way that feels natural and direct. This approach helps the recruiter understand who you are as a candidate and why you are a strong match for the position. To begin, open Microsoft Word. On the home page, select New. In the search box in the middle of the screen, type cover letter and press Enter or click the magnifying glass. Word will display several options. Scroll through the results until you find the template called Geometric Cover Letter. This is the matching cover letter for the generic resume template used in the corresponding video. Select the template, open it, and prepare it for your information. The goal is to create a cover letter that is clean, professional, and consistent with the resume you have already built. At this point, your template will display sample information at the top of the page. Replace the placeholder contact details with your own. Update the street address, city and state, phone number, and email address. Below that, replace the large bold name with your full name. This should match the formatting used on your resume. Next, update the employer block. Replace the sample hiring manager's name, their title, the company name, and the company's mailing address. These details personalize your cover letter and show that you are applying for a specific role at a specific organization. Once this information is complete, move to the greeting line. Replace the placeholder text with the hiring manager's name. If you do not know the name, you can use a general greeting such as Dear Hiring Manager, but using a real name is always preferred when available. Before you begin writing the body of your cover letter, it is important to understand its purpose. A cover letter is not a repeat of your resume. It is not a list of job duties, and it is not a biography. Instead, it is a short narrative that connects your skills, your experience, and your interest in the role. It explains why you are applying, what you bring to the position, and how your background aligns with the needs of the company. The tone should feel personal while remaining professional and focused. The goal is to give the recruiter a clear sense of who you are and why you are a strong candidate without copying the bullet points from your resume. Your first paragraph introduces you to the employer. It includes your name, the role you are applying for, and a brief statement about why the position interests you. Keep this paragraph short and direct. You are not giving a biography or summarizing your entire career. Instead, you are establishing a professional tone and creating a clear connection with the employer. My example, Brianna Chen, a Seattle-based marketing professional, might explain that she is applying for the marketing coordinator role because she enjoys creative communication and supporting organized project workflows. This paragraph sets the tone and shows genuine interest before moving into your qualifications. Your second paragraph highlights the skills that are most relevant to the job description, but without repeating the skills section of your resume. Instead of listing abilities, you explain how you use them in your work. This helps the recruiter understand your strengths in action. For Brianna, these skills include digital marketing, content coordination, social media management, analytics support, and cross-team communication. She might explain that she enjoys coordinating content schedules, supporting campaign planning, and working with creative teams to ensure projects stay on track. This approach shows capability, working style, and value, all without copying bullet points from the resume. Your third paragraph provides one short example that demonstrates your experience and then connects that experience to the needs of the company. This is where you show why you are a strong match for the role. You might describe a time when you supported a project, organized information, or helped a team meet a deadline. For Brianna, this could be coordinating a marketing campaign that required communication between designers, writers, and project managers. After the example, explain why the company's mission, values, or approach appeals to you. This shows that you understand what the organization is looking for and that your working style aligns with their expectations. You can also include a brief statement about your long-term interest in the field, something short and focused, such as continuing to grow in digital marketing and supporting meaningful creative projects. The goal is to show that you are qualified, motivated, aligned with the company's goals, and committed to growing in this direction. After the third paragraph, add a simple, professional closing. This should match the formatting used in your resume and should not include anything decorative or informal. Use a clean sign-off followed by your full name. Sincerely, Brianna Chen. This type of closing is standard in professional communication. It keeps the tone respectful and consistent, and it signals the end of the letter without repeating information from the body. A hybrid cover letter should be clear, concise, and aligned with the resume. It is not meant to repeat job duties or restate bullet points. Instead, it creates a short narrative that helps the recruiter understand who you are, what you bring to the role, and why you are a strong match for the position. By following this structure, the introduction, the skills paragraph, and the experience paragraph, you can create a professional cover letter that complements the hybrid resume and presents a complete, confident picture of your qualifications. I hope this helped you learn a new skill. Please keep exploring more Windows and Office tutorials.